Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So today we are at Trofeo Motorsports. Our friends at Trofeo Motorsports, they have an installation ongoing today. So we are here to cover the entire installation process on behalf of Trofeo Motorsports. So right in the shop, we have a very beautiful 718 Spyder that is being sent in for exhaust upgrade. And for this beautiful Spyder right over here, Trofeo Motorsport actually is installing this beautiful JCR exhaust system from the UK. In our previous video, we have already did another 718 Spyder with our very own Akrapovic exhaust system. Well, for this one, it's going to have the JCR system. So now we'll get back to work and start remove the factory exhaust system out from the Spyder. Then later we'll replace with the JCR system, and also we will do a little bit of discussion between the factory system and this JCR system, the key differences between both of these systems. And also once the car has been fitted with the JCR exhaust, of course we will do a sound check as well. Alright, so we have removed the factory cat back section out from the Spyder, and now we put it side by side to compare with the JCR system. So now let's talk a little bit about this beautiful JCR exhaust. The owner actually went with the race system, but with the valves, and apparently there's actually different options for the JCR system. You can have the resonator, the non-resonator, with or without the valves. So this one right over here is the non-resonated valve race pipe titanium material. So this is extremely lightweight, and also the owner goes with this signature JCR Megaphone titanium tips. So for the data wise, this JCR system weighs about 7 kilograms, while the factory system is about 15 kilograms. So there is almost half of the weight reduction when you install this JCR system alone on the Spyder. Right over here, a little bit details of the JCR system. This is a complete titanium system with all the titanium welds. As you can see, beautiful welding from JCR, and the valves are actually located below right over here. So when the valves are fully open, the exhaust gas flow flows directly through the bigger pipes and exits from the tips, and when the valves are closed, it actually flows through these smaller pipes so that the car will sound a little bit more quiet. And with the JCR system installed, definitely the Spyder will sound way louder, way aggressive, and more alive with the JCR system compared to this factory exhaust system, because as you can see, the factory system is very heavy, and also it is very muted with the design. There's a lot of filtrations and blockage happening here inside the rear muffler box, and also the factory exhaust tailpipes. Actually, it doesn't look that great if you compare to the JCR Megaphone tips. This is definitely a very beautiful touch from JCR. As for the valves control function, the JCR system is fully compliant with the factory OEM settings, whereby you can control the valves with the exhaust button at the center console area. So there's no additional wirings or additional remote control needed. And now let's get back to work to fit on the JCR system onto the Spyder. Then later we will have a sound check on how this JCR non-resonated titanium race exhaust sounds like. And now after a few hours of hard work, we have finally installed the JCR valve non-resonated race system on the Spyder. So right over here, these are the factory over axle pipe with the secondary cats, and the headers are right over there inside. So as for now, the owner actually wants to install just the cat back system alone without replacing the over axle pipes. So those are for the future upcoming projects. And also for the final touch, we have this VMC high flow drop-in air filters. Later we'll install the filters as well. And once we get the filters installed, we will start up the Spyder and listen to how it sounds with this beautiful JCR titanium system. So this is how the 718 Spyder sounds with the JCR non-resonated valve race pipe. Let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about the JCR system on the Spyder? How does it look like with JCR's signature Megaphone titanium exhaust tips? And also, if you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.